This is a case of spider navy. It's a complication of varicosity. In such cases, the patient may feel discomfort, heaviness, or pain in the foot and the affected area. Patient also complain about the pigmentation, itching, and ulceration also. So, in such complications, the conservative methods are not effective. So, in such cases, the leech application is a very effective treatment to reduce the or to minimize the complications of varicose veins. Here you can see the leeches are applied over the pigmented or the prominent vascular area, the veins which are undilated and prominent. There is a group of veins which are prominent and causes the spider navy appearance. So these are can be successfully treated with the leech application. After the leech application, when the impure blood or the blood sucked by the leech, when all the chambers are filled, then the leech automatically drop down, and after drop down, for the purification of that leech, we have to omit them by pouring a small amount of turmeric powder over their mouth. As they touch the turmeric with mouth, immediately they start omitting of sucked blood, and you can see here also the leech gate automatically fall down when it completes blood sucking. After the application, we have to drape them with a wet cloth for the comfortness and to give them some humidity. And after the completion of therapy and the leech omitting, they should be preserved in the clean water, tap water, not but it's a borewell water or the coop water can be used to store them. And after one time use of leech, they can be used after 7 days of their use. So they can be re-energized and they are able to function or the suck the blood effectively. So here you can see when we remove the leeches, there is some bleeding because of some anticoagulant components are seen in the saliva of leech. So that's why for some period, maximum up to 8 hours also, the small oozing is there. So to tackle such type oozing, we can use turmeric powder there, and we should use the pressure bandage to stop the bleeding. And we see here, once the leech omits all the blood, they looks very active and they are swimming actively in the water or in the tray. You can see here. When we doesn't want to omit them with turmeric powder, then the another method is there. In that method, the squeezing of leech from bottom towards mouth is done. By this squeezing technique, all the chambers filled with blood, they get drained out with the mouth and the blood will come out, and leech get cured, and so it can be preserved, and next after 7 days it can be used again. So the two methods are there. One is the omitting with turmeric powder, or the salt by pouring salt, or by squeezing the leech body from bottom to mouth to expel the omitted blood. So this leech therapy, this can be very effective in the case of to minimize the complications of varicose veins, and like heaviness, pain, discomfort, and the pigmentation, itching. These complications can be managed by this only leech application without any giving medications orally. So here you can see the squeezing technique. Just you squeeze the leech from bottom to mouth, the blood will expel out, and 2 to 3 times after doing this, all the blood get expelled out. Okay. So this is the leech application which can be used effectively in the case of complications of varicose vein. Thank you.